Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, আমি তোমার দাস, এই নন্দ তনুজ কিঙ্করং পতিতৌ মা বিশ্বমে ভবাম্বুধৌ कृपया तव पाद पंकज स्थित धूलि सदृश विचिंत. That is his prayer. Sikhyastaka, Mahaprabhu has taught. Oh Lord, I am your eternal servant anyhow, somehow or other. I am fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. I have been drowning and drowning and drowning here from time immemorial. Anadi. Do you understand? But I am your servant. I am your eternal servant. Kinkarang patitau ma visami bhavambudau krupaya tavapada pankajasthita dhuli sadrusa vichintaya. Please think me or accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Out of mercy, krupaya. That is his prayer. He offers, he cries at the lotus feet, he cries before Krishna, deity form of Krishna. He cries and says, he offers this prayer. Cry and say. When he cries and says this thing, then Krishna thinks of, yes, he is now crying for me. He is now crying for me. কামে মোর হতচিত্ত নাহি জানে নিজ হিত, মনের না গুচে দুর্বাসনা, মোরে না সঙ্গী কুরু, তুমি বাঞ্ছা কল্পতরু, করুণা দেখুক সর্বজনা. I said, my mind is filled with many innumerable material desires. I don't know what is good for me, what is beneficial for me. Mind is so stupid mind. It is never free from all these nasty desires, materialistic desires. Na guche durbhasana. But I am your servant, O Lord of Krishna. More nathangi kuru, please accept me. Tumi vancha kalpaduru, you are desire fulfilling tree. Karuna dekhuka sarvajana. Now you are so merciful, mercy of ocean, patita pavana. You are deliverer of the most fallen, degraded. Please, I am most degraded. Mosama patita na pave. You will never find such a degraded soul as I. Please accept me. Then let the whole world see how merciful you are. That is his prayer. Mosama patita nahi tribhuvane dekho chahi. In three planetary systems there is no such soul as degraded as I am. So please accept me. And you are patita pavana. That is prayer. Kende bole, oh hey Krishna, ami tava das. Cries and says, I am your servant. Then Krishna accepts it. Krishna dena chit shaktira bala, Maya hoy durbala. Then Krishna inculcates his spiritual strength unto him. Now he becomes strengthened, powerful with the chit shakti, with the spiritual strength. Then he conquers Maya. Then he is free from the clutches. Maya is delivered, he is known as Baddha Mukta. His third category is Baddha Mukta. He was conditioned, now he is delivered. He is Baddha Mukta, third category. Three categories are jivas. Nitya Mukta, Nitya Baddha, Baddha Mukta. Acharyas have said like this. Yes. Samvitara sar, माता पिता स्थान गृह शଯ୍यासन ये सब कृष्ण शुद्ध सत्वर विकार दिस इज संधिनी संधिनी सार अंश शुद्ध सत्व नाम भगवान सत्ता हुए जाते विश्राम बुझिपार डू यू अंडरस्टैंड संधिनी टीचेस द एक्टिविटी ऑफ संधिनी पोटेंस इज it teaches the existence of the Lord. Do you understand? And it is Shuddha Sattva stage. Shuddha Sattva. Sara Shuddha Sattva Nam. Where Supreme Lord exists. That is Shuddha Sattva stage. Do you understand? And examples are माता पिता स्थान गृह शଯ୍यासन Krishna Shuddha Sattva Vikar. Krishna's father, mother, his residence, his bed, his sitting place, all these things. These are Sandhini, examples. Do you understand? They are in Shuddha Sattva. Do you understand? Understand? ये माने है एम्बॉडीमेंट माता पिता स्थान गृह सज्जा दीज आर एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ संधिनी ऑलराइट संबित कृष्ण भगवत्ता ज्ञान संबित रसा ब्रह्म ज्ञानादि को सब तार परिवार इस ब्रह्म ज्ञान ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ नॉलेज हेडेड बाय ब्रह्म ज्ञान दैट इज संबित चित पोटेंसी दैट इज चित सचित सदन से संधिनी चिदन से संबित आनंदान से लादिनी सचित आनंद यू अंडरस्टैंड चिदन से संबित चित चित पोटेंसी इज संबित पोटेंसी दैट इज नॉलेज पोटेंसी ज्ञान इज ब्रह्म ज्ञान ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ज्ञान एडेड बाय ब्रह्म ज्ञान ब्रह्म ज्ञानादि को सब तार परिवार इज फैमिली इज ज्ञान नॉलेज इज ज्ञान इज चित पोटेंसी मीन्स ज्ञान पोटेंसी यू अंडरस्टैंड ब्रह्म ज्ञानादि को सब तार परिवार इज नॉट मेटेरियल नॉलेज स्पिरिचुअल नॉलेज इज रिलेटिंग टू ब्रह्म सुप्रीम ब्रह्म पर ब्रह्म Tattva Gyan, that is Sambit. She gives pleasure to Govinda, therefore, is pleasure potency, is Govinda Anandini. Govinda Anandini. Nandini, not daughter. Anandini, who gives pleasure to Govinda. That deha, that body is not different from Atma. Do you understand? In this material body, do you understand? This is material body, Jada Deha. But Atma is not material, it's spiritual. Do you understand? But body is material. But in spiritual world, body is also spiritual. The same substance of Atma. There is no difference between soul and body there. Jiva gets a spiritual body there. That body is not different from the soul. This body is different from the soul. Mental body.